Hello YouTube, this is Link Era 1 and we are going to now see what happens when I throw this, siera mist at the rocks over there. Okay. That's what supposedly happens. Let's go check on the damage. Looks fine. Looks fine. That was just wood chipped, guys. Where's the hole? Seems right here. There's a hole right in the fracture, right about there. Actually, two. Yes, yeah, you guys can see it now. That was exploding soda can number 1. I call that one the sprinkler. Hello, YouTube, this is Link Era 1, and now we're going to see what happens to a mug root beer can. I'm going to try to blow it up. Guys, well, that was a biggie. You saw it happen. See? Still some soda left in here, but see? Whoa, sorry about that. Look there's a huge hole inside. You can clearly see that. And yeah, next time I'll be coming at you with a Fanta orange soda one, so stay tuned. YouTube, this is again Link Era 1. The Fanta soda can has failed 3 times, so I'm gonna try to get the best explosion out of it as possible. So let's go. What do you think, guys? I repeat, the Fanta soda can did not explode. Did not explode, but there's a little crack right about there. I guess Fanta, well here, it's gushing out, see? Just getting the last bit of it out. And well, yeah. Well, that was the kind of suckish video, but please don't put bad comments or, rate it badly just because the soda can failed. I'll be getting at you with, you guys just make requests and I'll make the videos, okay? Bye.